Hello everyone, my name is Dayana Melo. I am 29 years old. I am from San Sebastián de Mariquita. I am studying the bachelor degree in foreign language with emphasis in English. I am excited to be part of this course because it's really important for me to learn about the English language. I hope to learn more about phonetics and phonology because it helps me to improve my English level and for to be an excellent teacher. So I will summarize the infographic that I made. Phonetics is a science discipline that describes the speech sounds in language, including the production, perception, and acoustic properties. An example of phonetics is the letter T in the word time. We pronounce as T a voiceless alveolar plosive. Phonology is the study on how sounds function and are organized in a particular language, focusing on the abstract system of sounds, distinctions, and their behavior in different speech contexts. For example, the American people pronounce in the word water, the letter T, like a R, is pronounced as a flat R, very soft. So they pronounce the letter water. Thanks for watching my video, and I see you at the following activities. I hope that you have a nice rest of the day. Bye everyone.